Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy OmarioRpg. I hope you're having an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are in the world. And today we are back reacting to Chainsaw Man episode sorry, I'm fixing my OBS. Episode 3. Meowie's whereabouts. Hold up. Wait a minute. I don't know if you're a cat person or a dog person, but I myself love cats. Now, Pochita was bloody adorable, although I don't want to know how that bloody dog goes to the toilet. Nonetheless, if there's like a cat version of this bastard, I just called an adorable chainsaw dog a bastard. Fair enough. If there's like an adorable cat version of that bastard, I just did it again. Then GG's. I'll buy I'll buy my first anime figure. No, I won't. You can donate to OmarioRpg, patreon.com to make me buy it. Wow, that was shameless. But I get shameless when it comes to... I'm not going to say that joke. When it comes to cats. I'm not going to say what I was going to say there, but I'm sure you guys can imagine. Anyway. Denji, Power, Machina, and scuffed Levi John Wick, bro. Looking forward to seeing more of these characters. We've missed them. Let's get straight into it. Before we do, be sure to like and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Let me know how you're enjoying Chainsaw Man so far. If you're a mango reader, let me know, are you enjoying it compared to the mango, or did you... Now, obviously, it's going to be hard because the mango, you've finished it. You've sucked all the juice out of it. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope it's doing the mango justice. Justice and honor. Now, make sure you join the Patreon, patreon.com/OmarioRpg. Also, I've done something with my lighting. I hope it makes me look a little bit less how I used to look. God, that sounds... I'm not insecure, honestly. It is what it is. What you see is what you get. Best way to live. But be hygienic. Somebody write that down. There's some great advice there. Write that down on the book and make it a TikTok and I'll make millions of followers. Anyway, let's get straight into this. Episode 3 of Episode 3 of Cyberpunk. Episode 3 of Blue Ball. Episode 3 of Chainsaw Man begins now. Jeez, I've watched a lot of animes. Okay, this is the sea cucumber. I still can't believe they didn't do, like, a joke regarding the sea cucumber, you know. And, you know, just Google what happens to a sea cucumber when it's scared.
普通だったら逮捕されちゃうよ。パワーちゃんは魔人になる前は血の悪魔だったから血を使った戦いが得意なんだけどすぐ興奮しちゃうしデビルハンターには向いてなかったのかな。こいつが殺せって言ったんじゃ。はあ？逮捕だ逮捕。嘘なんとか罪で逮捕だてめえ。こいつがやれって言ったんじゃ。悪魔は嘘をつけない。嘘をつくのは人間だけじゃ。なせてねえよ。てめえが証拠だ。バカ。
Nice.
嘘野郎がよ。
Some great camera work. I would love to look at the subtitles right now, but my community is going to call me a creep. But I am looking at the subtitles.
静かにできる。私は二人の活躍を見たいんだ。私に活躍見せられそう。見せる。
She listens to her. Oh, for God's sakes. She's got goo all over her t-shirt, I guess. Machina. I know her name's Makima, whatever, but I call her Machina. The Machina. Her voice actress reminds me of Hitches. Same super soft, unique voice. My man. No! No. Oh, it's grey as well. Favorite. I want a grey cat and I want to call him Geralt one day.
俺にとっちゃ夢みたいなことだぜ。
And that's why we love you.
だからって嘘つき女と協力なんてできないけどな。
わしが仲良くできるのは猫だけじゃ。
Same.
人間は嫌いじゃ。人間がわしに何かしたからではない。悪魔の本能みたいなもんで嫌いなんだ。
Yes.
そして悪魔も嫌いじゃ。
True.
悪魔がわしの飼ってたニャーコを連れ去ったからな。
Oh. We must protect Miss Power. Must protect. Must protect. Team Power. Also, I love how she's almost she's very similar. The right clearly this is what the writer wants. He's showing that she even has a similar past in some aspects to Genji, because she's, you know, she plays Overwatch. Sorry. To Denji, because, you know, he lost his dog, she's lost her pussy. Oh. Don't give up hope.
わしは悪魔からニャーコを取り戻せるなら。
くだらねえな。俺は胸揉めるっつうことなら何でもできるけどよ。
やはり人間とは分かり合えない。ニャーコを悪魔から取り戻してくれたら胸を揉ませてやると言ったらどうする？
You've got yourself a deal. We'll be right back after these sponsors. She says she doesn't understand humans. You are lying, Miss Power. You are lying. Give a man a promise like that, and Bob's your uncle. Boob's your uncle. We have fun here. We like to have fun.
悪魔がよ。猫をよ。さらうなんてよ。そんなことは許さねえよ。
How dare he!
デビルハンターとして許せねえ。そん悪魔、俺がぶっ殺してやるぜ。
What a start. God, the start is so good. I don't even want to listen to the end. All right. Man, I know I've paused a lot this episode, but I almost love how bored the voice actors sound for Power and Denji. And I mean that in the best possible way. They just sound like bloody teenagers. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, alright, yeah, might as well. Like, if it was in English... Oh, go on then, I guess we can go... Do you know what I mean? It's hard to explain what... I'm just speaking from the brain. I'm sure someone in the comments is going to get it.
ニャーコをさらった悪魔の場所は分かってるんじゃ。そうなったら次じゃ。
True, yeah, uh-huh.
俺もポチタっつう悪魔飼っててさ、もう撫でることはできねえんだけど、いいんだ。
そりゃポチタが死んだってことじゃろ。
No.
死んだ命は無じゃ。心の中にいるだのなんだのは。
ええ、そうだな。
そうだな。
絶対仲良くなれねえな。
So, the weather's been nice.
米国の件でソ連はタカ派の声が大きくなっている。悪魔を軍事利用しているという噂も聞く。
期待に応えられそうなのが一匹。面白いのが一匹。
面白い。
最近拾った子犬です。
君の仕事は犬を育て、使うことだ。 くれぐれも情は入れてくれるのよ。
Okay. That guy's voice is speaking to my bloody soul, bruv. You don't know Japanese, but you get the message.
面白くないですよ。どうしてそんなに期待をするんですか？
すべての悪魔は名前を持って生まれてくる。その名前が恐れられているものほど悪魔自身の力も増すという。コーヒーは怖いイメージは全くないから、
Okay.
コーヒーの悪魔がいたら弱いだろう、ね。
I disagree.
でも車の悪魔がいたらどうだろう。タイヤに引かれて死ぬイメージがあるから強いかも。デンジ君はチェーンソーの
So can someone bloody tell me why a sea cucumber devil died so quickly? I get it now. Now, if it was if it was a toothpick devil, then it would be powerful because toothpicks are because toothpicks kill people. You can choke on a toothpick. I wasn't listening to her. I'm just like Denji. I'm joking. So dana.
悪魔になれる。面白いと思うけどな。
でもあいつは
でも
ダラダラと生きたいだけだと言っていました。公安にはふさわしくないです。それに悪魔と仲良くなれると思ってる。まだガキなんですよ。ガキ。
I'm not gonna lie, I thought this guy would be my favorite character. Screw you, bro.
あそこにニャーコと悪魔がいる。
はあ。じゃあさっさと行くか。
Is he actually gonna go chainsaw mode or not this episode?
貧血なるからチェーンソーにはなりたくね
There
え
we
な。
go.
お、チェーンソ
ああ。俺チェーンソーなれんの。
ー
See how bored they sound?
こんな近くまでついてきちゃダメでしょ。
おお、そういう設定じゃったが。
Is this a trap?
言い間違い。じゃ。
Never trust
勘は良かったな。
women. I'm joking, I'm joking. I'm joking, I'm joking. Listen, it's happened in Cyberpunk, it's happened in this episode. I'm just saying, in animes, we respect women around here. Like and subscribe for that.
私を待たせたな、血の悪魔よ。逃げたのかと思ったぞ。
文句を言うな。わしもやっと外に出られたんじゃ。
Oh my god, it's a bat. Oh, I hate
久
that.
しぶりの食事。若い男か、精力の出る血を飲めそうだな。
知るか、バーカ。
食事が吠えるな。
バカ。
人間に刻まれたギザ、人間の血で癒させてもらう。
Oh! Get in! He's not human.
他の人間で口直しをしなければ。
Why is she doing this? Does he have the cat?
お前は悪魔と仲良しにでもなりたいのか？
よくわしの話を信用できたもんじゃな。
We just got played, lads. Yeah. Awful time to pause as well. With that subtitle right there and her looking at me. You know what hurts me the most about this? It's not that she lied. Not that she attacked us. That she lied about her pussy. I wanted to meet Meowie. I had visions of Meowie. Hell.
やはり人間は愚かじゃ。
Screw you, Power. Now I know why you're called Power.
タバコの匂い。口直しは子供に決めた。
He reminds me of the guy out of Death Note. What's his name?
約束通り人間を連れてきたんじゃ。ニャーコを返してもらう。
Wait, what? So what's she on about? You believe me?
そういう話だったが。
Oh, oh, we're good then. Ah! Ah! Meowie. Edda. I have to keep my tough guy persona. You understand? Edit that out. Oh, look, a cat. Cool.
ニャーコ。
私にまずい血を持ってきた罰がまだだったな。
ニャーコ。鎧なりじゃのう。もう少し太らせてから食ってやるか。
Oh, that cow just looked like.
大きくなれ。ニャーコ。
Ah, ah.
楽しみじゃな。
That cow just looked like it couldn't be arsed, man. Ah!
目があったやつはすべて殺してたからな。
血が足りない。猫を殺されたくなければ人間を連れてこい。
ポチタをもう撫でれんと言っとったな。ウヌの気持ちが分かったぞ。ひどい気分じゃな。
You're an idiot, Power. What the hell is going on, bro? It's like episode 5 of AOT or something. Shit, I just spoiled it for everyone, but I don't give a crap. Go watch AOT. What's going on? If we've learned anything, it's when people get swallowed in animes, they're fine. So I am not worried at all. But what is Power doing? Can't she beat this guy? I guess he's stronger than her. You know what? Screw her. She tricked us. You know what? GG's. I ain't mad. Screw it. Team Machina, baby.
子供の血でうがいをしなければ。
Right.
うがいをした後は前菜に生娘だな。メインは肉好きのいい男。デザートは妊婦がいい。
俺の胸返せ。
私の血を飲んでる。気持ち悪い。貴様の血など飲む気も起こらんわ。
ポチタがいなくなった時があった。朝起きたらポチタはいなくて。
That may be one of the most badass lines I've ever heard.
見つからない。ポチタは泣きながら俺を待っていた。ほっとしてそのまま一緒に寝たのを覚えてる。
You should have, you know. Don't mess with a man and his bobs. Oh, come on! Oh, they're gonna crash in. Classic, classic.
人を逃がした。悪魔のくせに何がしたいんだ。
てめえが腹裂いて胸もむんだよ。
Damn! This guy's bleeding Vimto. I can't hear nothing, by the way. Wait, I can hear everything. It's insanely loud. Wait. Oh, sick. We've got ourselves an anti-hero, ladies and gentlemen. How does one think of that? Don't smoke. Cool. I'm telling you, don't get between a man and his bobs. He just, it's a Copperfield. God, this show's so weird. It makes you say such weird things. Yo! Oh! GG's. GG's. That's one of the coolest fights I've seen in anime. Your boy's just been watching Cyberpunk Edge Runners. I'm enjoying it. Go and watch it. But the combat in that, in my humble opinion, is very like, it's almost like a flick book. You know those books? To go, and I know the budget is way off the, I know, I'm sure. But man, the animations are clean. Do you know what I mean? Popping a free and just swish. Swish. And he's not even going to get to Copperfield. Let's hear the outro. This show's so weird. Fair enough. So it's like Pochita inside the thingy. You know what's crazy? Is there somebody out there in the world who just likes this kind of music? And fair enough, man. Fair enough. That's the beautiful thing about music. God, this show's music is so weird. How did that, how? Ah. How do you, why do you, when do you, who? All of this over boobs. Are they even worth it? Goddamn right they are. Fair enough, Mapper. Fair enough. Fair enough. GG's. GG's. What a roller coaster of an episode, man. That's this show really is a freaking roller coaster of like just chaos. Chaos over like just the most normal of things, and that's what I love about it. A guy who can freaking turn into a chainsaw man just is just a normal lad. Obviously, MVP to my boy Denji, aka Genji, aka the Copper Feeler, aka David Copperfield. God, my brain is just, I'm a genius. I was thinking of giving it to Power, but honestly, I should give it to, you know what? I'll give the favorite part to Power. The you know, it was you saw it firsthand. Played Denji, and then played me, and played lots of other lads and ladettes who are watching. 100%. I'm going to assume she's not dead, as we all know in anime. If the monster eating the person doesn't chew, then they're fine. Now, I don't know if Meowy's dead. That would hurt. Honestly, I'd rather Meowy survive than Power. Just saying. MVP goes to the grey cat. No, I'm joking. But I do want to get a grey cat called Geralt. What do you guys think? Loved this episode. Just loved it. I really am enjoying this show so much. It's so nice to watch a show like this in Blue Lock. Just one episode a week. Look forward to it. It's just a breath of fresh air. It really is for me. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your MVP and your favorite moment in the comments down below. Be sure to like and subscribe. Check out the Patreon. We've got so many animes on the Patreon that aren't on the YouTube yet. So go check out the Patreon. Patreon.com/OmarioRpg. I'd appreciate the support. I'm going to call it there. Thanks for watching. And thanks for being you. Bye-bye.